everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this palm tree design over a neon peach gradient. So if you want to see how it's done, please keep on watching. First, I'm going to apply a base coat to all of my nails. Next, on my thumb, index, and pinky fingers, I'm going to apply 1 or 2 coats of a white polish. The white polish will really help the neon polish pop. Next, I'm going to apply 2 or 3 coats of this neon peach polish to those same nails. While that dries, I'm going to apply 1 coat of a silver polish to my ring finger. This is going to be the base for my glitter nail. For this design, I'm also going to be using liquid Palisade. Today I'm going to be using the regular sized brush, but they also come in a really tiny brush size. I'm going to apply the liquid Palisade around my nail on my ring finger because I'm going to be sponging on some glitter polish, and this makes it really easy to clean up. Then I'm going to apply some glitter polish onto a makeup sponge and sponge it onto my nail. I'm going to repeat that until my entire nail is covered in glitter. The sponge will help soak up the clear polish that the glitter is suspended in so that you're not left with layers upon layers of clear polish that will take ages to dry. Then I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to remove the liquid Palisade from around my nail. And finally, onto the palm tree design. I'm going to apply 1 or 2 coats of a white polish onto my middle nail. Then I'm going to apply liquid Palisade, just like I did on my ring finger, all around my nail. Next, I'm going to apply a white polish onto a makeup sponge and a neon polish slightly overlapping the white. I'm going to sponge that onto my nail with the neon peach polish closer to my free edge, and I'm going to repeat this until I'm happy with the gradient. Then I'm going to immediately remove the liquid Palisade using a pair of tweezers. Before painting the palm tree, I'm going to apply a layer of a fast drying top coat just to smooth out the gradient. With a thin detail brush dipped in black, I'm going to paint a curved line near my free edge. Starting from the tip of that curved line, I'm going to paint a few more smaller curved lines. Then I'm going to add some texture to the leaves with some really light downward strokes. I thought the top was a little bare, so I'm going to add 1 more tiny frond. To make the palm tree look a little more full, I'm going to add a few more leaves using downward strokes. And finally, apply a fast drying top coat to all of your nails. And you're done! Here's the finished design. Thanks for watching! I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see.